Hi everyone, welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making chocolate crepes. Now crepes are very versatile and you can customize them any way you want. We're going to be doing a chocolate crepe today. If you need a regular crepe recipe, I have one. I'll drop a link for that down in the description. But you can customize these and top them or fill them with bananas, strawberries, whipped cream. The possibilities are endless. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and a pinch of salt. We're going to take all of our ingredients and add it into a blender, and we're going to mix this up till it's a nice thin consistency. That right there is the consistency that we're looking for. You kind of want it to look like chocolate milk. Now let's head over to the stove and get these made. We're going to heat up a small saucepan over medium heat, and we're going to add a little bit of butter in there, and we're going to get that melted. The butter is melted. We're going to add in 1/4 cup of our batter. We're going to swirl this around till we get a nice even layer. Now once it becomes kind of tacky and no longer shiny, we're going to give this a flip. We're going to cook it on the other side for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Alright, well that crepe is done. Looks great. I'm gonna bust the rest of these out and I'll meet you back over at the cutting board. Now like I said before, there's many things that you can stuff this with, from peanut butter to Nutella to cherries to strawberries to whipped cream, and there's several different ways you can plate it. You can do the roll technique where you put in your filling and roll it up like that, or you can fill it, you can fold it as well. This is one of my favorite ways to do it. So now I'm gonna finish plating this up and we're gonna get a taste. And that's simple, you have chocolate crepes. Now let's get a bite of these. I'm going straight plain Jane just to get the full taste of the crepe without any of the other flavors. It's light, it's fluffy, it's airy, it's not oversweet. The chocolate's there, kind of reminds me of a brownie. This is one of my favorite crepe recipes. I hope you try it out. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you're interested in the outdoors, you can check out my outdoor channel. I'll drop a link in the description for that. If you're into video games, head on over and check out my friend Austin's channel called Ironing Gaming. I'll drop a link for that in the description as well. Thanks for stopping in, guys. We'll see you next time.